Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are collaborating with the lovely people from Rug Doctor, and I am just going to be testing out a few of the items that I have received. I have received 4 products and I'm going to show you, I'm going to film testing them out, and then I'm going to tell you what I thought about them and before and after. If you want to know more, then carry on watching. If you are new here, then hi, welcome. My name is Beth. I am a mum of 3 to 2 little girls who are 8 and 6 and a little boy who's nearly 2, and I'd absolutely love it if you would subscribe if you haven't done so yet. So I'm going to be testing the Rug Doctor portable spot cleaner on the stairs. I'm going to see if we can try and get back that fresh new looking kind of carpet, even though it wasn't new when we moved in because it was here before from the previous owners, but it was in such fantastic condition. So it was only 2 owners who lived here previously, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what the stairs look like. So hopefully you'll see a difference on the camera, just like how I do in person. The Rug Doctor portable spot cleaner is really easy to just carry around with you. It has an easy carry handle and it fits on a stair step very easily. So it has like a slim design to sit on a stair, which is really handy when you're cleaning your stairs. And not just only that, to make it a lot easier to do the stairs as well, is that it has a handheld brush. The wheels of the Rug Doctor are carpet friendly, so the wheels move and maneuver quite easily on the carpet, and it's just the perfect size to keep away. It's not too bulky, and also it's perfect for taking out to clean the car. Yeah, the suction is really good on it, and as you can see, it does make a difference. So the next product I'm going to be showing you are these spot and stain remover wipes. I absolutely love these. I've actually used a few already, and they're just really handy just to have in your kitchen cupboard or wherever you keep your cleaning things, because if you have a little spill from the kids, yeah, you can use your normal wipes, but it doesn't really entirely remove stains. So having some wipes that actually removes spot and stains, then it's just really handy. And you have 20 large wipes in these. So these spots and stain remover wipes are really handy to just take out if your kid spills something, or even if you spill anything, just your common spills, such as dropping a drink on a carpet, or dropping, say, beans or something, some food that stains the carpet. Then it's just something quickly, instead of getting all your other machines out. Then just having these wipes, and they're large wipes as well, and they're just handy to scrub your carpet, and it removes the stains there and then. Next one I'm going to show you is the spot and foam cleaner. It has this brush here, which I have already used, and you have the foam that comes from this little pipe here when you press that there, and it's just really handy, and it's really just so easy to use. So this Rug Doctor spot and stain foam cleaner lifts and removes stains and odours too, which is brilliant. So you just spray the foam from a certain distance, which is around 30 centimetres away. You just brush it in again from the outside, and you just kind of even it out, and you just do circular motions, as you can see that I'm doing here. And it's just really handy that the brush is a part of the bottle. And then about 2 hours after, it's recommended just to hoover the area that you have just foamed and cleaned. So the last product I've got to show you is this odour remover. You can use it on carpets, curtains and upholstery and fabrics. Not quite sure how you say that word there, sorry, but it has a fresh floral fragrance, and it's nice to have that fresh smell in the house. Possibly it could be part of your cleaning routine, so you just spray the curtains, or you can even spray like the cushions, the bed, like what I do. Yeah, it's just nice to give that like that fresh smell in the household. So those are the products I got sent, and I've just shown you testing them and the before and afters. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will put all the links to the products and the machine too in the description box below, as well as a link to the Rug Doctor website. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to put a thumbs up and comments down below if you like the video. And yeah, again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!